about what the rest of the world refers to as emergency preparedness, which arguably, and I would like to share with our audience when we have our Pillar of Water workshop, has been the actual lived experience of people of African descent since at least 1619 and likely prior to that. So it's a 360 experience that in many ways a spiritual community would consider a guided journey that has brought me back to this place, but in a position of power and not victimhood, that I want to share and empower and equip other people who are either experiencing it or are likely to experience the same devastating encounters with man-made and natural disasters, and unfortunately sometimes which happen at the same time.
Yeah. So I'm glad, wow,